Welcome to our focused guide on IELTS listening, the part of the test where many candidates lose marks for avoidable reasons. In this presentation, we'll walk you through 5 critical mistakes that are likely affecting your score without even realizing it. Whether you are a first-time test taker or retaking to improve your band, understanding these pitfalls is your first step towards mastering the listening section. We'll not only identify these common errors but also show you practical fixes that can lead to immediate improvement. Let's dive in and transform your preparation strategy with these powerful insights. You have probably felt it yourself, that frustration of listening attentively during your IELTS test and still walking away with a lower score than expected. You are not alone. This experience is one of the most common complaints from the test takers around the world. But here's the good news. It's not always about your listening ability. Often the score loss is due to subtle yet critical habits that fly under the radar. Understanding what those are is the first step towards fixing them. Let's now explore each of these key mistakes, why they matter, and how to address them for maximum score improvement. The first major mistake is going into the listening section without previewing the questions. It's like walking into the maze with your eyes closed. You are guaranteed to miss critical cues. When the instructions are being read aloud, that's your golden moment. Don't waste it. Use this time to scan the questions ahead. It helps you mentally prepare and anticipate what information you will need. This tiny approach shift can dramatically enhance your ability to locate and understand answers more efficiently, saving precious seconds and boosting accuracy. Mistake 2. Writing and listening simultaneously is a cognitive overload. Most candidates aren't aware of how much this impacts performance. When you try to do both, your brain juggles 2 tasks and ends up with doing nothing. Instead, develop a technique that allows you to prioritize listening. Use shortened or brief notes or scribble if needed, but resist the urge to write full answers in real time. You will likely miss follow-up answers or misunderstand the context. After the section ends, use the transfer time to refine your notes and write complete responses. It's not about speed, it's about smart time usage. Mistake number 3. Spelling isn't just a minor issue in the IELTS. It's a scoring criteria. Even if your answer is contextually correct, a spelling error can result in 0 marks for that question. Take time to practice commonly used words in IELTS listening tests, especially those involving in number, places, or academic terms. This isn't about rote memorization. It's about muscle memory through repeated focused exposure. Mistake number 4. Predicting answers before the audio plays helps you narrow your mental search. It prepares your brain to recognize relevant information quickly instead of trying to process everything equally. When previewing the questions, consider what kind of answer is expected. Is it a name, a date, or a location? This primes your attention and sharpens your ability to pick out the answer from the fast-paced audio. The IELTS isn't about catching everything. It's about catching the right things. Predicting answers sets the foundation for the targeted listening. Mistake number 5. Many candidates limit their listening practice to familiar accents, usually Indian or American. However, the IELTS listening section often features British, Australian, and Canadian accents, which differ in pronunciation, rhythm, and vocabulary. Lack of exposure to these variations makes it hard to catch important details under exam pressure. Practice with authentic materials from diverse speakers, including podcasts, new clips, and IELTS simulations. You have just learned the 5 most common yet critical mistakes that are likely hurting your IELTS listening performance. But identifying issues is the only first step. Next comes action. The Fluent Edge app is built for exactly that. With the full length mock test, curated accent training, and detailed answer explanations, it is your one stop platform to train like it is a test day. Whether you are starting fresh or need that last push towards Band 8 Plus, the app has covered all for you. Download now and turn insights into results. Let's raise your score the smart way.